Hello everyone, my name is Yasha Murad. My topic of today is the need for renewable energy investments. As we watch climate change worsen, we have to ask how much longer can we afford to rely on fossil fuels? Think about it, every day the planet feels the heat. The storms are stronger, the winters are harsher, and the sea is creeping higher. Renewable energy could be the solution. I've spent years learning about energy, and I truly believe that investing in renewable energy is crucial for our future. Today, I'll show you why investing in renewable energy is only necessary for environment but also for a stronger, more stable economy. Let's first talk about the problem. Our dependence on fossil fuels. Fossil fuels like coal, oil and gas are the biggest causes of greenhouse gas emissions. These emissions are responsible for global warming, extreme weather, and destruction of ecosystems. As we can see in this slide, I think it's visible. As we can see in this slide, if you compare the carbon emissions from fossil fuels with those from renewable energy, you'll see how bad fossil fuels are for the planet. Fossil fuels contribute massively to greenhouse gases, while renewable energy generates little to no carbon emissions. This is something that we can't ignore any longer. According to the IPCC 2018, if we don't act now, the consequences will only worsen. Scientists predict that if we don't change, we could see a 3-degree rise in temperature, which would change life on Earth as we know it. Now, let's talk about the economy. Fossil fuel prices go up and down, causing instability, as we can see in this graph. As we see in this graph, comparing fossil fuel prices fluctuations with the steady growth of renewable energy investments. When fossil fuel prices rise, everything costs more: gas, food, even electricity. The unpredictability creates chaos, especially for people already struggling to make ends meet. Fossil fuel dependence Fossil fuel dependence locks us into an unstable market, but renewable energy offers something better: stability. For example, wind and solar prices have dropped 70% in the last decade. As we can see in this slide, this shows that renewable energy is not only sustainable, it's also affordable. With a consistent drop in prices, we can expect renewable energy to become cheaper and more accessible to everyone. So, why aren't we using more renewable energy? The main reason is that we are not investing enough. Governments continue to subsidize fossil fuel industries, which makes it harder for renewable energy to compete. As shown in the pie chart, As shown in the pie chart, fossil fuels get $5.3 trillion in subsidies every year. Imagine what that money could do if we went into clean energy. Research by Ansar et al. 2013 shows that these subsidies are the main reason fossil fuels still dominate the energy market. We need to redirect this money to renewable sources. But it's not about money. Renewable energy technologies like solar and wind require big initial investments, like energy storage, which is needed to make renewable reliable, is still developing. However, with more investment, these barriers can be overcome. As we move forward, we'll see the cost of solar, wind, and storage technology continue to decrease, making them more accessible for everyone. There is a good news. Solutions are already available. The Clean Energy Investments Act, CEIA, proposes to invest $100 billion into renewable energy projects. If this law passes, it will create thousands of jobs in clean energy and help reduce carbon emission by 40% by 2030. As shown in this slide, by 2030, the CEIA could help reduce carbon emissions by 40%. By investing in this policy, we can shift from a fossil fuel dependency economy to a green energy economy. This shift is a chance for everyone to benefit from cleaner air to a new jobs to lower energy costs. Countries like Denmark, Germany, and China has already made significant progress in renewable energy adoption. As we can see in this world map, As we can see in this world map, Denmark is now producing 50% of its energy from renewables. These countries shows us that switching to renewable energy isn't just possible, it's already happening. And we can do the same. If we act now, we can be a part of this change. Now, picture a world where we no longer depend on fossil fuels. On one side, you see the destruction caused by fossil fuels, smoke, oil spills. Let's change it a bit. Okay. On the other side, you see a clean green world powered by wind, solar, and geothermal energy. As we can see in this image, this is the future. We can create if we start investing in renewable energy today. Okay. So, what can we do about it? Renewable energy investments are key to solving climate change and boosting the economy. Our dependence on fossil fuels is unsustainable. By supporting policies like the Clean Energy Investments and Investment Act and using green technologies, we can create a better future for ourselves and future generations. Let's commit to our renewable energy today so we can secure a better tomorrow. We have the power to make a change, and get together we can make a difference. Thank you.